wabarakatuh. A very cheerful good morning to our honorable chief guests, respected principals, teachers and all my dear friends. Myself, Mayam Jamila from Standard 3rd Urdu CSMA English stands before you to express my feelings about Independence Day. Freedom in the mind, faith in the words, and pride in our soul. Let's salute the nation on Independence Day. Today, we all have gathered here to celebrate this great national event. As we know that Independence Day is an auspicious occasion for all of us. It is the most important day to all Indian citizens and has been nations forever in the history. It is today when we got freedom from the British rule after many years of hard struggle by the great freedom fighters of India. We celebrate Independence Day every year on 15th of August to remember the first day of freedom of India, as well as to remember all the sacrifices the great leaders who have sacrificed their lives in getting freedom for India. Freedom in their thought, faith in their words, and pride in their action. Let's salute those great leaders who made it possible for us today to celebrate the Indian independence. We cannot imagine by sitting here that how hard the independence was for India from the British rule. It took sacrifices of lives of many freedom fighters and severely killed of struggle from 1857 to 1947. An Indian soldier in the British force had first raised his voice against Britishers for the independence of India. Finally, the result of long years of struggle came in front on 15th of August. When India got freedom, we have full right to choose our government and it is the largest democracy in the world. Yes, we are free and have complete freedom. However, as being responsible citizens of the country, we should be always ready to handle any emergency condition in our country. The freedom that we have now could blood and lives of those people who prayed so much for our country. Be proud that we are Indian. Happy Independence Day to all of you once again. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.